Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve user ID controlled by request parameter with unpredictable user ID challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. As for the challenge description, this lab has a horizontal privilege escalation vulnerability on the user account page, but identifies user with GUID. To solve the lab, find a GUID for Carlos, then submit his API key as the solution. You can log into your own account using following credential. So this challenge is apprentice level and we need to find out API key for the Carlos account. So this is the application page. So we have received the credential so we can log into this account, provide the username and password value and click on login button. So for this particular user, we can notice API key showing in the page. However, as per the challenge description, we need to find out the API key of the Carlos account. So if we notice requests for this particular scenario, so we can notice in this my account page, there is ID parameter which is passing this particular value. So in previous challenge, in ID, we noticed the username was passing and it was easy to change the username from Winner to Carlos to get the API key. However, this time that plain text username is not passing. Instead, this is like basically GUID. It's like globally unique identifier and we need to solve this challenge to provide the API key of Carlos account. So for that, first we need to find out the GUID of Carlos account because we can't predict the ID for Carlos account and it's not easily like we can decode this. So we can click on home button. So apart from my account, we can notice home button. So let's check the home page. Here we can notice multiple blocks are written. So maybe we can click on any post and we can just review the code and the request response for this. So this is the post ID and it is showing 9. So if we go to the application page here, we can notice Carlos name is showing. And if we mouse over here, we can notice user ID is also disclosed for this Carlos account. So if we click on it, here we can notice user ID equal to this GUID value is showing. So first we can take the request of my account and send it to repeater. Click on send button just to generate the response. So let's see if we directly provide Carlos username, what will happen? So ID equal to Carlos, click on send button. It is showing location/login and 302 found. So basically it did not accept this parameter value. So let's reload the page. Click on my account just to confirm if it's already logged in. Yeah, so it is logged in. Now we can change this ID parameter with the Carlos account. So if we go to proxy, this was the user ID for Carlos account. So copy this. So we can change in repeater also, or we can directly provide in the URL. So here we can notice username is changed to Carlos and API key value disclosed for this account. So even though there is one layer of protection, like it is not passing username directly in the ID parameter, instead it is passing GUID, which is difficult to get. However, in the blog post, username was there, and for that particular username, this ID was also disclosed. So it can help attacker to find out a strong ID value and perform this horizontal privilege escalation. So to solve the challenge, copy this API key value, click on Submit Solution, and click on OK button. So we can notice challenge is solved. Thank you.